Hello everyone and welcome back to Fun Methodology. So we have been discussing about divisibility test. So in the last lecture we have seen the divisibility test by 2, 3 and 4. And today's topic is divisibility by 5, 6 and 7. So today we are going to check whether a given number is divisible by 5, 6 or 7. So let us take the first one, divisibility by 5. So if a number ends with 5 or 0, the number is divisible by 5. So you take any number that ends with 5 and 0. So for example, we can take numbers like 3, 4, 6, 5, comma, we can take 9, 8, 2, 0, comma, we can take 3, 5, 5, 6, 5, comma, we can take 7, 9, 2, 0, 0. So these numbers which I have given in the example are either ending with 5 or 0, right? Which is evident that these are divisible by 5. So in order to check a number whether it is divisible by 5 or not, go ahead and check whether that number ends with 5 or 0. Got it clear? Let's move on to the next test, that is divisibility by 6. So if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, right? Because 2 and 3 are the factor of 6. So if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the whole number is divisible by 6. So let's take an example and let's see how it is done. So we'll take this number. So take an example and we'll take 3, 2, 4, 7, 2, right? So it is quite evident that this is an even number. So this number is divisible by 2. Check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. So 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2, which results in 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. So we can see that the number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. So we can draw a conclusion that 3, 2, 4, 7, 2, which is the given number, is divisible by 6. Got it? Easy one. Let's move to the next divisibility test, that is divisibility by 7, which is the last test of today's lecture, that is divisibility by 7. Now there are few steps you need to follow in order to check a number whether that number is divisible by 7 or not. So the first one is double the digit at one's place. Next step is subtract the result from the rest of the number. Third step, check whether the result obtained is divisible by 7 or not. If it is, then the whole number is divisible by 7. So let's go through the step one by one and let's check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. So we'll take a number that is 3, 1, 6, 6, 1. Got it? So the first step is double the digit at one's place. So one's place digit is 1. So we are doubling it. So it becomes 2. So what is the rest of the number? So rest of the number is 3166. Go ahead and subtract the number that is doubled. So the result is 3164. Now check whether 3164 is divisible by 7 or not. Yes, it is divisible by 7. So the answer is 452. Now we can say the whole number 31661 is divisible by 7. Well, so we have checked, in the last lecture we have checked the divisibility test by 2, 3, 4. In this lecture we have seen divisibility test by 5, 6, 7. In the next class we'll see the divisibility test and the divisibility by 8, 9 and 10. Okay, I think you're following my lectures. If you have any issues or queries, let me know. I'll try to solve those queries as soon as possible. So thanks for watching, guys. Well, have a great day. Bye for now.